Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Roblox change language. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in Roblox. To change your language in Roblox, first thing you need to do is open up your Roblox. Once you're here, click on More. After clicking on More, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, click on Account Info. And once you're here, wait, it's loading. There we go. Once you're here at your Account Info, go down and you will see Language right here. Then click on the language here. For example, mine is English. Click on that. And then click on language that you want. Let's say it's French. Once you click on that, it will automatically restart your Roblox. And as you can see, it is now French. Plus. And when you're here at French, you will click on plus, then parametres. Then click on this one right here, Info sur les compétences. And after clicking on that, go down and you'll see the language, langue, and click on French and then put it back to English. There you go. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also change the language in game, but it won't change the Roblox itself. It will only change the in-game language. So I'm gonna show you that. Click on there, click on there you go, Yet a friend. It's loading. There you go. As you can see, mine is in Korean right now. There you go. In Korean mode. Now to change it to English, just go to the settings right here. Then here you will see experience language. Click on English. And as you can see, it went to English. But this only works in game. It only works in game and it will not change the Roblox itself's language. For example, here settings, still settings. Even if you change it to different language, for example, Japanese, still English, but the in-game is now Japanese. So there you go. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.